Hi kids, I'm Chief Haida with Esquimalt Fire Rescue, and we're here today to help you learn the sounds of fire safety. Why? Because we want you to be safe. Isn't that right, Sparky? Alright, let's get started.
Hi kids, I'm Firefighter Reed, and I'm here today to teach you what to do when you hear a smoke alarm. And we have our special guest, Sparky the fire dog, to help us out. Today we're going to practice what to do when you hear a smoke alarm, and Sparky's going to help us. Sparky, do you know what to do when you hear a smoke alarm?
Thanks so much for watching our fire safety video. We hope you had fun. And most importantly, we hope you learned about the sounds of fire safety. Excellent. Yes, Sparky, that's a great idea. Kids, now it's time to test what you've learned.